What's up guys, and today we are in Simonstown. Got the boat off the trailer, got the motor in the car, got some rods just in case we catch some fish, got a little bit of diving stuff just in case it gets hot and I want to go for a little bit of a swim. What a mission guys. Got the boat all the way down there, pulled it down by myself, so now I must carry all the gear down to the boat. There's basically nothing on, just the life jackets. What a beautiful day out in Simonstown. Just put the boat in the water. I believe there is yellowtail around. A whale has just surfaced 20 meters in front of me. Have a look at that. That's incredible. So many jellyfish around. This is insane. Yellowtail! 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 There's yellowtail! I've cast it through a shoal of yellowtail. Come on. Come on. No takers. I'll get us a bit closer. We are going to catch a fish today guys. 100%. They just don't want to take. We've been chasing birds for quite a while now, and yeah, there's lots and lots of fish around, lots of schools all over the show. It's just they're moving too fast, and the minute you get up to the fish go down, the birds move off, and the fish have lockjaw. They just don't want to take. You get your lure over them, pull it through, but nothing. So I don't know, maybe more towards the evening they might turn on the bite. Have a look at all this bird life. They're just picking small stuff off the surface. All sterickies and a bit of seagulls. day. We're on a beach. We've got our rods with us. You obviously know this is Michael's rod. This is my rod. And look over here. We've got a tent set up, kind of just testing it out in this wind. It is supposed to kind of storm today. It's supposed to rain. So yeah, we thought pitch a tent, see how it's going to handle in the wind, just so that when we go on other adventures we know the tent's going to handle it, we're not going to have any issues. One issue we are having, the pegs are so light and so short, they're just pulling out of the sand. The sand's obviously not hard enough, so we've gone ahead, found some rocks that we're just using to reinforce it a bit. But our plan is now we're going to move just a bit further down the beach. Doesn't really look like there's much happening in this little bay, but yeah, let's see how things go. Hopefully we can catch a fish. We're hoping for a hottie or a clippy, you know how it goes. How sick is this? Everything's in the tent, not exposed to the elements, so if it does rain, everything's protected. Don't have to worry about wet bags. I'm not even too sure where to fish. There's so many waves, so many rocks, the kelp's all the way at the back. But we're gonna just cast in and hope for the best. I don't know, hey guys, it's looking pretty miserable. I hope you can hear me. It's pretty windy now. I don't even know. What on earth is this? Have a look. So yeah, I got my bait. Yeah, it's probably not the best rig. Got a nice small hook. But have a look at the sinker. What on earth is this? Okay, my sinker was put together with this thing. Where does this come from? And now my sinker's gone. And I only brought one sinker. Yo, I hope Michael's got some extras, but I saw he was also struggling there. He's about to break off now. He's stuck. So I don't know. I don't even know if you can be able to fish now. Yo, that's a bummer. I don't know what to do. Maybe tie a rock on or something. Creamy cappuccino. Oh. So the swell's definitely picked up. The wind's kind of dropped off a little bit. It's raining a bit here and there. Comes and it goes. But yeah, we are packing up now. Not really much going on. We are totally unprepared. Not enough tackle. And Michael never had any sinkers. He only had the one. I also only had the one sinker. Didn't even manage to make one cast before I lost it. But yeah, we are all ready. Just need to pack the tent up and then we're good to go. But how nice is this tent, guys? Some epic adventures coming up. First descent, Halo 2, 2 sleeper. But if you like what we're doing, have quite a bit of gear, it's more of like a 1 sleeper, and then you can also put your gear in the tent. So the main aim of the day was kind of to just test the tent out, see what it'll handle, see the kind of conditions it can handle. Because it was supposed to be like a storm today basically. As you can see, it's not bad at all. It's just a little drizzle. But it's actually supposed to be at its worst now. It's probably about like 4 o'clock. And yeah, this was when it's supposed to peak. But clearly not. Maybe it's going to get worse later. But yeah, we can see what the tent needs. We can see what we need to upgrade. We definitely need to upgrade the pegs, because the first spot, obviously on the sand, It's not really so secure. Kept getting blown out, so we need longer pegs, and that's pretty much it. And then we sorted. We are pretty much all packed up, ready to go. Michael's got most of the tent there on his bag. I've just got this little bag on my shoulder, got my rod, and as you can see, everything's nice and clean. You can see exactly where the tent was pitched. Let's go.